Hi everyone, let's see an example for creation of bit tree of order 5 for the given elements. Okay, so you know the procedure. If it is a bit tree of order 5, it is having maximum 5 children and it can allow maximum 4 keys. Maximum 4 keys. Okay. First, what we are going to do is we are going to create a node, and I am going to insert the value 1. Why I have created this value 1 here? As there is only one leaf node, I have directly created that node. Then I am going to insert 12. Can I insert 12 directly here? Yes, I can directly insert because there is only one leaf node and it can allow maximum 4 keys, and I will insert my 12 in sorted order in this leaf node. There is no violation. Next I will take 8. Yes. Can I insert this 8 directly here? Yes, I can directly insert my 8 into the leaf node. 8. See one important point. While inserting, you need to insert the node. You need to insert the value in the leaf node only every time. So I insert 8 first. Next I got 2. As it is a leaf node, there is only one node. So I will insert 2. There is no problem. Okay, 2 completed. Next I got 25. Yes, it is a leaf node. Yes, it is a leaf node. But if I am inserting this 25 here, it will violate. Just check here. It will violate. See here, I have already given the procedure. What is that procedure? First one is you need to make my inserted data into the leaf node. Always insert the data into the leaf node. Okay. If it is inserted data is not full, then I can directly insert there. If inserted node is full, we need to insert there, and then we need to pick up the middle element, and then if that middle element I need to make as a parent. After making it as parent, if that also full, we need to make it as we need to take the middle element. So this process will repeat. So I will follow this procedure directly here. Yes. Okay. I have inserted 25 here. If I insert 25, it is violating. So I will take out the middle element and I will make it as a. Next I got 5. So I am inserting, I need to make up to leaf node. So leaf node, if you want to reach to the leaf node, you need to traverse from root to leaf node. So my 5 is less than 8. So I will come to this one. As it is a leaf node, so I can insert directly here. So 2, 5. Next 14. 14 is greater than 8. So 14. What is the value here? 25. After inserting, there is no problem. Next 28. 28 is greater than 8. So 28 will come to here. There is no problem. Okay. Next 17. 17 will be greater than 4. So I will reach to the leaf node. So I will insert here. That is 17 here. 25, 28. After inserting, what will happen? It is violating this property. So I will take out the middle element and I will make it as a root node. And then I will take 7. Is 7, if I want to insert 7 at the leaf node, I will need to come back, right? 7 less than 8. So I will get 1, 2, 5, 7. Just check while writing. Next 52. 52 is obviously greater than 7, so I will insert 52 here. Next 16. 16 will be between 8 and 16. So 12, 14 and 16. Next 48. 48 is obviously greater than 17. So 48, 48, 52. Next I got 68. 68 is greater than 17, so I will insert 68. But if I insert 68 here, it is violating. So I will go for taking middle element and I will insert 48 here. I will insert 48 here. Okay. See here one important point. Where I am going to insert? I am going to insert at the leaf node. In B tree, I am always inserting the data at the leaf node. But how the tree is growing? Is the tree is growing from top to bottom or bottom to top? The tree is going from bottom to top. See, initially we have taken only single node. That single node is split into multiple nodes by growing. Just think, right? First I have taken only one node. When that node is full, I have taken only one node. When that node is full, I will take out the middle element. That middle element I am going to make it as root node, meaning that from bottom to top the tree is going. That you have understood. So I have completed up to 68. Next I got 3. 3 will be inserted where? In the leaf node. 3 will be inserted in the leaf node. When I insert 3 here, 3, 5, 7. After inserting, it is violating. Because of violating, I will take out the 3 and I will make it as a parent. After making it as parent, I need to check once again. There is no violation. Next, I will take out 26. Then 26 is obviously greater than 17, less than 48. So 26, 28. Next, I will get 29. 29 is greater than 17, less than 48. So here I will get, so 1 minute I will write 25, 26, 28. (25, 26, 28). I am going to insert 29. So there is no problem. Next I got 53. 53 will be inserted greater than 48, right? So greater than 52. So here I will get 53. Here will get 68. Next I got 55. 55 is greater than 48. So I will get 55, 68. Next I got 45. I got 45. 45 is greater than 17, less than 18. Greater than 17, less than 48. So 45 will be inserted where? 45 will be inserted here. Just remember, 45 is inserted in this particular location. If I am inserting 45 here, it is violating because 5 nodes are there. So I will remove the middle element. I will make it as root. Just see. I will write 52, 53. So, see here, 28, 29 and 45 is there. Because of this insertion 45, it is violating. When it is violating, I need to pick up the middle element and I need to make upwards. What I need to make upwards? This is 28, right? 28 I need to make upwards. So this 28 I need to make upwards, I need to make arrange at this corresponding position. That is, here I am going to get. Here I am going to get. When I am inserting 28, here it is having 5 values, again it is violating. When it is violating, you need to make the middle element as a root node, that is 17. So for the left side, right side of 17, 28 and 48. 28 and 48, and it will be obviously comes here. Okay. So my all elements are completed. So this is the corresponding B tree of order 5. Here you have to understand one important point, that is B tree will goes from bottom to top.